Hey guys, welcome back. So, we just finished all of the cloth-based armor, and what we found was Acton was pretty impressive. Only the toughest stuff we had would even get through it. Right now, we have furs. These are commonly armors that are associated with barbarians and other savage species. But, I don't think there's a precedent for them in history. But because they're in most medieval LARPs, or Tolkien, or Gygaxian legendariums, we're going to give this a try, and see if it stands up, or if it falls apart. Let's get the bow out. Okay. Too low. Just a nick. There we go.
Me, am I not aiming?
Yeah. Straight through, not even a stitch.
Yeah.
I'm gonna need a hand getting this guy through.
Okay.
No, I think I got it.
Okay.
As you guys can see, I could pull that right through the back of Kevin. It went straight through, didn't even slow down. So this armor here, we hit it twice. I nicked it once at the bottom here, but it was just a nick, so we did it properly. And it went right through, right there. And carried right through the rest of the foam, and was sticking out, just to say past these tines. The barbs prevent it from going backwards out of the hole it went in, so we have to push it right through. So, this here will not stop the most basic arrow we have.
It's good for hunting rabbits.
Great for hunting rabbits.
Yep.
Let's try this against the dagger.
Yeah, there's no reason to shoot the bobbin through it.
No. Pass me the dagger.
Yep.
Please and thank you.
You want to have a stab at it?
Sure. Nice and easy. Didn't even slow me down.
I'm pretty safe to say it's probably even going to cut into it.
I don't know, all those fibers, it might actually stop it.
First, straighten it out so it's like kind of already bunched up a little bit. That'll give it a better.
Oh. No. It's doing nothing for the force, but
yeah,
it's definitely, like, here's all the, you can see the actual cut fiber here on the blade. Take a slice of life.
Keep it sharper. Nope.
Alright, so let's stage up a little bit.
To the sword?
Yeah.
Get in there.
Too many hits is starting to dull the weaponry.
Oh, that's just like your actual battle.
Kevin's a little resistant to being hit.
Oh.
Who knew?
You want me to? I'm just gonna draw cut or push cut.
Yeah. So if there's any push cutting during the fight, it'll go right through.
Yep.
So let's try the axe, see if any chopping actions will actually work.
Arrow.
Oh, thank you.
First kind of floppy, it's not very rigid.
Yeah, so I don't expect any chopping to really get through it.
Yep.
Yeah. We don't even need to.
Now, did you go through with it? The
Yeah.
point?
Yeah. Well, I got through with the spike.
Yeah. Oh, there you go.
So, short fur, definitely good on a glancing slash, but not on anything significant. Doesn't stop any force. It's not really doing anything. So, what we can try to do now is let's take the long fur and we're going to put a gambeson behind it and see what it does. That's going to be inconvenient to get out.
That's a throat shot.
Well, Kevin's dead. I think that deflected off the first one.
No, hit the fur first. Bounced on the way out. You can see right where it hit.
Nothing with that gambeson behind it. Oh, pinprick. That's it.
Yeah.
So, let's try bodkins.
Yay, bodkin. Chipped collarbone.
More reason. Don't try this at home.
Don't be like Kevin.
Don't get shot at by bodkin points.
Exactly.
Okay. So, like other things that have come off of the dummy, this here shows just how much poundage we're using here. The bow is actually we actually can't draw the bow to full length. We only get about 3/4 draw on it, and it's still chipping 2x4 as it hits. These are actual weapons. They are not to be played with or taken lightly. So please don't do anything we're doing at home. Yep. So.
Hit a rock.
Yeah, this guy could use a sharpen too. You can actually sharpen him right here. He's poking through. Yeah. So let's get the measurement on him.
Oh yeah, he's
More than a little. Okay, so once again, the bodkin went clean through this. Thank you. I'll take a measurement on that. Gamson still can't stop this bodkin point, but it's doing pretty good with those blade points. Time to test the dagger. Alright, on to the dagger test. Hit the wood.
7 inches.
Fluff.
Yep.
It is cutting. You can actually see the lines where it's cut.
Yep.
Some of this stuff up. So nope. That Gamson keeps just sucking all the force out of any slash or chop. It's really slowing it down.
Yeah.
How about with the sword? I'm not sure how to measure if you stuff the armor into him. I don't have a metric for that.
Don't worry, Kevin, we'll get some duct tape tomorrow.
Any luck, we'll have a new torso tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll have a new torso.
I also noticed this is splitting here. Was this split when you had originally built them? I think we're damaging part of the structure there.
Yeah, quite possibly.
Oh,
You guys still holding up?
let me get out of the way here.
Okay.
We lost the line.
Yeah. That's all good.
Still not getting through, eh?
Oh, there we go.
Tree in, check.
So yeah, I went 7 inches through with the half sorting.
Yeah.
Hit the wood.
Yeah.
The fur did nothing to stop it. Gamson again is what's stopped most of it.
Unfortunately, we lost the camera part of the way through that filming, so.
Yeah.
All right. What we have here is light leather armor, just standard 1/8. Then we have wax hardened. Now what we're going to do is we're going to test both of these against arrows and daggers and everything else. So let's see what happens.